Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a string or a sentence, and then our program will remove the vowels in a given string or in a sentence using JavaScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and fans in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, suggestion, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Sir Daven, Ma'am Robilin, Sir Ernil, and Marshmallow, our avid supporters and subscribers in my channel. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name and put shout out. Okay, so let's begin. So we have here a program. So the title is remove vowels in a string in JavaScript. Basically guys, I'm using Mozilla Firefox as my browser. You can use other browser like Google Chrome, Opera, in running this program. So let's say for example we will have a word here. Let's say information technology. Let us make it bigger. When we click the remove vowel string, it will display only the consonants in an alert dialog box. Click OK. Another example, printers. When I click, it will remove the vowels I, E in the word printers. Okay, let us go with the code. So basically we have here the code. So I'm using Sublime as my text editor. So HTML, remove vowels in a string in JavaScript. Style, we have a simple body, font family, I just assign Arial. And then we close. And then we have here script type, text, JavaScript. And then I create a function, remove vowel string, var_str document get element id rev underscore vowels value here in our text box here. And then we have here str array string split for var x. We start with 0, x less than str length. Increment if char str to lowercase, it will convert the every character in the given string or sentence into lowercase format. If char equals a, or char equals e, or char equals I, or char equals 0, o, or u, it will blank, convert to blank. And then we have the alert to display and return string join. So we have here the text box. The size is 40. The length of the text box that we have, id rev underscore vowels. And then we have a button here, remove vowel string. On click, remove underscore vowels we call, and then we pass the id rev underscore vowels. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code in my two websites. Okay, let's go back to our browser and do some examples. Let's say for example, database management software. When I click the remove vowels button, it will remove all the corresponding vowels like A, E, O. Okay. Another example, Bacolod City. Click remove vowel string. It will remove the vowels A, O, and I in the word Bacolod City. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create remove vowels in a given string or sentence in JavaScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.